I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Transferring your ESIM to a new iPhone can seem daunting, but it's actually quite straightforward. Here is how to do it step by step. Step 1. Prepare your new iPhone. Make sure your new iPhone is fully set up and connected to Wi-Fi. You'll need to have it ready to receive the ESIM transfer. Step 2. Access your old iPhone. On your old iPhone, go to Settings, then tap on Cellular. This is where you'll find your ESIM details. Step 3. Request a transfer. In the cellular settings, select your ESIM plan and look for the option to transfer your ESIM to another device. Follow the prompts to initiate a transfer. Step 4. Scan the QR code. Your old iPhone will generate a QR code for the ESIM transfer. Open the camera app on your new iPhone and scan the QR code to add the ESIM. Step 5. Confirm activation. Once the QR code is scanned, go back to Settings on your new iPhone, tap Cellular, and ensure that your ESIM is activated. You may need to restart your device. Remember, if you don't see the transfer option, make sure both devices are updated to the latest iOS version. Good luck with your ESIM transfer.